Hi there. In this video we will learn how to change SAP GUI theme and color. It is SAP beginners tutorial. I hope you have a great day. So why do we need SAP GUI theme and color change? In many cases in a system user might have multiple systems to log on to, maybe development, testing system, production system, and maybe multiple production systems. So every production system there might be a different system, and user might not understand where they are logged in right now. If we have different colors per system, maybe that identifies different system easily for the user. Or maybe if you like to change a color for your like, and so you would like to have your screen purple or blue, or you want to have different colors. So we will take a look at the different themes and how to change the system, how to change SAP GUI theme colors in your SAP GUI. So let's take a look at the SAP GUI where we can change some colors. So this is SAP easy access screen where you log on first time, and after that you will see this screen. And from here you can see this is a default screen we can see, and there is a button up here on the right hand side. If I click up here, and this is the option button up here, if I click on this, so we can see there is a folder up here on the right hand side, visual design. If I click on this triangle icon, it will drop down, and this the first option is theme preview setting. If I click on this, so I can see on the right on the top SAP signature theme is selected, and we can see we have different options for this theme. Activate animated focus, uh, show shadow browse border, and then use Corbo style icon, accept SAP Fury value theme. So these are the options are selected. We can unselect, and it will reflect in this. So if I click up here on this theme, I can select different themes for this, and also there are more options available in there: theme preview settings, font setting, branding, define custom color, color setting, colors in system. So colors in system, and then you can have different systems have different colors. So right now we're just gonna take a look at the theme, and if I click up here, and so we can see the first is the blue crystal theme, which is very similar to the Fury type, Fury look, web look onto it. Corbett theme, SAP signature theme, enjoy theme. So there are some old themes are available which will make your browser look old. So if I click on blue crystal theme, it will give me some preview up here on this screen up here, which is nice to see that how your browser will look. And it's actually showing, I think it's the sales order screen. So if I select on the Corbo theme, so you can see this is like a small grayish, it's more is a grayish screen. And if I click, and then there's a different options are available on the bottom. If I click up here and then check the SAP signature theme, which is right now I think is selected, we can see on the background. And if I click up here on enjoy theme, so it is like a very older version of SAP with more gray colors, and with SAP ECC style look into it. SAP dependent themes, so system dependent theme, which is basically system might have different themes available per the system. So it is showing the system dependent theme. Streamlined theme, let's take a look at this. It is more light colors, so there's a different look into it. Trade show theme, okay, a blue design based on enjoy. So they use the enjoy theme and then put the blue design in there, okay. And the classic theme is the SAP classic theme. So these are the few themes which is very, this is I think it's a 4.7 look, very old look onto it in SAP. So it is very old SAP classic theme. So these are the few themes available. You can select them as per the system, and you have to go to the GUI There's another way of doing it, so let me just cancel this and show you the different way. So if I go to the GUI screen up here, and I can see here there is an option, there's a small icon on the left hand side on the top. If I click on this, and there's an option, if I click up here, and in this option I can see it's also bringing me up to the screen where I have themes selection, and I can go to the color settings, and font settings, branding, define color, define custom color, theme preview. So it's showing me all the basically same options available. So after we change a theme and we apply it, it might not be available right away. It might take some time depending on the browser, or you might have to open a new session, maybe for the new theme to be effective, or new color have to be effective. So if I click up here on the new GUI window, new session, so this is the new session button up here on the top, or I can click up here to just show a difference. What is it doing? So I open this bar up here and I click up here. So this is T code bar where I can enter the T code. If I do /O, it is basically opening a new session. So I can either enter a transaction code after that, or just put /O, which will open a new session. I press enter. So pop-up screen coming up, it's asking that do you want to open a new session? We already have 2 sessions are open. If I click on generate, it will open a 3rd session for me. So new session is open, and we can see we have 3 easy access screens. And so if I go to the one transaction code up here, just to show a difference, /n. So /n basically close the current session and bring back to the SAP Easy Access main screen, where you can select the SAP Easy Access button up here. So this is a start SAP Easy Access. We are onto the main session, and here we are onto the session. So why do we need the different themes color for the different systems? And to maybe if you like to have different color and different look into it, look and feel of it, so that may be one of the reason, and you want to customize your look of your GUI and for different systems. So that's it for this video. A little bit more information about I am SAP published author, and I have a book on this SAP quick SAP introduction and user guide, where you will find this information as well, how to change GUI colors and more GUI related information available on this book. And a little bit about me, and I have more SAP books available and SAP related books. The link of different books will be available in the description. If you have any questions, feedback, please leave them in the comment. And if you like this kind of videos, please go ahead and check out the channel and check the different videos, and please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you very much.